Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to match letters of the alphabet. So here we have, you saw how we can use the character sets to specify a group of characters to match, but that's a lot of typing when you need to match a large range of characters. For example, every letter in the alphabet. Fortunately, there is a built-in feature that makes this simple and short. Inside a character set, you can define a range of characters to match using a hyphen character. For example, to match lowercase letters A through E, you would use A-E. So A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. So here, M is not within this range. And so when we match this regex, we're just going to say, well, cat is between A and E. So C is between A and E, and then AT. So this is a match, and this is a match because B is between A and E. And then mat is outside of A and E range, and therefore it returns null here. So we want to match all the letters in the string quote sample. Match all the letters. Be sure to match both upper and lowercase letters. Match all the letters. Wow. So basically it wants to do a letter count. So we're going to do A through E, A through Z, and then we want it to be case insensitive and global. Let's see here. Console.log result so we can see what's happening. And our alphabet regex is here, but what we need to do is apply this by matching all the elements in there. So quote sample dot match, and then in there we put our regex, and now we get that. And so we should so here we're getting the result. The result is set to all the matches. It's an array with a ton of strings in it. THEQUICK BROWN Brown, see, and it just moves through this string matching all the characters in between A and Z. You'll notice that there isn't a room for space. If we were to put a space in there, I think we would actually get the spaces as well. Then we actually get the commas as well. Oh no. Yeah, here we're getting the space added in there as well. But we're not trying to do that for this example. And your regex should match 35 times. So what's the length of the array? The result dot length. That gives us 35. So that tells us that that's correct. We should use a global flag. So there's your global flag. And it should use a case insensitivity flag. Case insensitivity. And so, yeah, I think that this will pass the test. We run it. And it passes. Yeah, I hope this helps you guys, and we'll see you in the next lesson.